Hello my dear little ones. Today we are going to learn about shading a pattern. Children, do you know what shading is? It is a beautiful technique that gives dimension to a drawing. Children like you can try pencil shading with colored pencils. Shading എന്നാൽ എന്താണെന്നറിയാമോ? ഒരു ഇമേജിനെ കൂടുതൽ മനോഹരമാക്കാനുള്ള എളുപ്പവഴിയാണ്. പെൻസിൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഷെയ്ഡിംഗ് ചെയ്യാം. കളേർഡ് പെൻസിൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ചിത്രങ്ങൾ കൂടുതൽ മനോഹരമാക്കാം. I am here with some worksheets activities with shading, matching, tracing and spot the difference, which you will find very interesting. These worksheet activities will help you to develop your logical thinking and learn things on your own. Dear parents, your supervision is very much required while your child does these activities. But please ensure that the child himself or herself tries to figure out the answers. Here is the worksheet. The first question is, shade the pattern to the given picture to create the same pattern on the other side. In this activity, you have to shade the second picture. See, this is the second picture as you see in the first picture. See, you have to shade here by looking first picture. It will improve your observational skill and concentration level. You can use either pencil or colored pencil for shading. See, like this you can shade. Yes, likewise you have to complete these pictures. The second question is, draw a line to connect each picture with its half. See, on one side half of the picture is given, on the other side half of the picture is given. You have to draw a line from this side to the other half of the same picture. See, likewise you have to complete this. One more picture I will show you. Here you can see the half part of the picture in one side and half on the other side. Identify the picture and draw a line to match with its corresponding side. So, like this. You have to complete this worksheet. Third question is, connect the similar pictures by drawing a line. In this activity, you have to draw a line to connect similar objects together. Here you can see smiley face. So you can draw lines to connect similar picture to make it together. See, got it? Likewise you have to complete this. Fourth question is, complete the picture by joining the dots and color. See, you can see here pictures. Here, first you have to trace on the dot to join them very carefully to get the outline of the picture. See, we have to draw on the dotted line carefully. Are you all doing, children? You have to draw carefully and then you can give appropriate color for it. Last question is, spot 4 differences between 2 pictures. You can see here 2 pictures. In this activity, you will have to find the difference between these 2 pictures. First, look at the flowers. See, you can see flowers here. You have to find the difference. See, you can find here leaf is not there. See, leaf is not there. So you can draw one leaf. Now look at the butterfly. Find the difference and then draw what is missing. Then look at the insect. Draw the missing part. Last, see the sun. Something is missing, right? Draw the missing part. Likewise, you have to finish this worksheets. I hope you all were able to do. Children, doing these kinds of questions will help you to improve your skills such as observation, concentration, patience, etc. See you in the next class. Bye bye.